crazy, make my heart go. Oops-a-daisy, make my blood flow. Not so lazy, 'cause I love you inside out. Time is a waste and while you hold out. So frustrating, 'cause you know that you're looking amazing, and I love you inside out. I love your eyes, blues the skies. I love your lips to your fingertips. I love your bones, your roll sticks and stones. Yeah, I love you inside out. I love your chin and the skin that you're in. I love your nails, even your entrails. I love your soul, even your little mole.
He's going to help me become a human lightning rod.
About 750,000 volts.
What? So here are the muscles that are surrounding this trunk. We have some that are running longitudinally along the length of the trunk, and as they run along the length of the trunk, those on top are the ones that are going to lift the trunk up.